You see that big old kitty cat? Huh? I am a sweaty mess already.
Yeah,
We have the spritzer.
Ray Ray. Yay!
It's hard to go that way.
Yeah, especially when there's uneven rock. Yeah. Stone pathway
It
here.
works better if we just go clockwise.
You're gonna get sick. Well, when at school, I found out how she went home. But she was busy.
What is that, Ray Ray? A bird? Come get the bird.
It's part of that rhino rally. Where are the animals, Dada?
They're gone. Extinct from poachers. No animals in sight.
Well, there's something down there.
Oh, it's one of those big horn.
What are you gonna do for it? Get under the canopies, the birds are pooping. Shit.
Here we are, stuck in a boat. We crashed the boat in front of us. Take a look, no water.
No water.
We'll see what happens. Back here at Busch Gardens, Tampa. We're gonna be evacuated. Oh, here comes the ride attendant, I better go. See you later. Being evacuated, Tampa, through the trough, through the low zone. Boy. There goes Megan. Behind the scenes tour at Tampa Bay Busch Gardens. Really is an adventure. You never know what's gonna happen out here. This is crazy. We were on the ride and the ride stopped. We hit the boat in front of us. Now we're getting escorted through the low zone area. Hopefully we get a special pass or something. Doubtful. Let's go.